Hey Stitch Cutie, I'm Brittany with Stitches of Love Quilting, and today is 110 of Stitch365, and I am so excited because it is what time? 9:30 something, and all of your kits that you pre-ordered, if you ordered the Fixative kit or the Spring in the Hoop kit that has all your fabrics for the project, they are out the door with the mailman and on their way to you. Woo! This makes us so happy. We love everything going out on time. So all three of us this morning were like giddy with delight that they're already with the mailman and on their way to you. Now, the other thing happening at 10 a.m. is the release of the Spring in the Hoop PDF pattern. So at 10 a.m. you can log into your account and you can click on downloads and you will be able to download your free pattern. So you can print it out on your home computer or you can just browse on it until you need it on March 11th. But let me tell you about what's in the pattern. So, of course, cute cover. Inside, every day is instruction of like what materials you're going to need, and it's going to outline what video you're going to watch. So maybe you are doing this not on the exact day that the stitch along is happening. You'll always have this as a reference to go back to the playlist to watch the video that coincides with that step. Want to get to the videos in a really easy way? Go to springinthehoop.com and that takes you directly to the playlist with all things Spring in the Hoop stitch along. Now, also in the pattern, you will notice that you have your supply list. If you haven't already downloaded the supply list and or ordered your kits or gone around and gathered your supplies, everything is here. We did update the supply list because before we forgot to tell you the color of the RIT die. It is fuchsia. And we also forgot to tell you that you will need sandpaper to sand your hoop. So if you don't have those two items, you can probably grab them in the garage or at your local big box store, or even a little local hardware store will have that sandpaper for you. And then the last page of the pattern is the actual design scaled perfectly to size that you will trace when we begin the stitch along. So I hope that you will join us. And if you're just now watching this and you haven't signed up for all of this, do it now. The more the merrier. Happy stitching, everybody.